Struggling to figure out how to grab the next big AI token on the world's biggest exchange? You've heard the buzz around Newton Protocol, symbol NEWT. It's the verifiable automation layer powered by ZK Tech and AI agents, and it's quickly gaining traction. The great news is, you absolutely can buy NEWT on Binance. But if you're new to trading, knowing the exact steps can save you time, fees, and a headache. In this quick video, I'm breaking down the simple, step-by-step process to buy NEWT on Binance, right now. First, you need to have a verified Binance account. If you don't, go create one and complete your Know Your Customer verification. You can't trade without it. Step 1. Fund your account. You need a trading pair to buy NEWT, and the main pair on Binance is NEWT/USDT. That means you need to have USDT, or Tether, in your wallet. There are two main ways to get USDT onto Binance. Option A, buy directly. If you're using fiat currency like USD or Euro, you can use the Buy Crypto function on Binance. Select your local currency and buy USDT directly using a bank transfer or credit/debit card. Option B, deposit crypto. If you already have crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum on another exchange or wallet, you can deposit it into Binance and then use the convert function to swap it for USDT. Once your USDT is in your spot wallet, you're ready for the trade. Step 2. Navigate to the trading pair. Now we go to the main trading interface. On the Binance website, click on Trade and then Spot. In the search bar on the right side of the trading screen, type in the ticker symbol, NEWT. Select the NEWT/USDT pair to open the trading chart. Step 3. Place your buy order. Scroll down to the trading box. This is where you actually buy the coin. Market order. If you want to buy NEWT immediately at the best available current price, select Market Order. Simply enter the amount of USDT you want to spend, or the specific amount of NEWT you want to acquire. Limit order. If you want to buy NEWT at a lower price than it's currently trading, select a limit order. Enter the price you want to pay per NEWT, and the total amount you want to buy. The order will sit on the books and only execute if the price drops to your limit. Once you've chosen your order type and entered your desired amount, click the big Buy NEWT button. Step 4. Confirm your purchase. A confirmation screen will pop up. Double-check all the details, the price, the amount, and the total cost. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Your NEWT tokens will now appear in your spot wallet, ready to be held, staked, or traded. And that's it. In 4 simple steps, you've added the Newton Protocol token to your crypto portfolio on Binance. Make sure you move your newly acquired NEWT to a secure cold wallet if you plan to hold it long term. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.